Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. Once again, welcome to our maths class. Today, we are going to discuss our new chapter, which is money. So before we get into our class, all of you just take your notebook and textbook, get ready for the class. Done? Okay. And also take a new page on your notebook and write the chapter title Money on your notebook. Done? Okay. Let us begin. How many of you know about money? Students, what is money? If we wanted to buy a chocolate, what we have to give? We have to give money for that, right? If we wanted to buy a toy or a dress, what we have to give? We have to give money for that. So, money is very important in our day-to-day activities or day-to-day lives. So, today's class we are going to discuss or study details about money. Okay, let us begin. In our family, our parents, they will go for work and earn money for us, and they spend their money for our education, food and our day-to-day livings. Okay, so money is very much required in our day-to-day livings. Money is used for buy things. Okay. In ancient times, students, there were no money. Instead of using money, people were used to exchange their things. Okay. For example, if I have this pen with me, okay, and I want to buy this paper. Okay. So what should I do? I have to give this pen to that person and buy this paper from him. This is a system which was existed in ancient time. Instead of using money, people were exchanged their things. This system is called barter system. Okay. After that only money came to be existence. Okay. Different countries have different types of currencies. In our country, which is our country? Yes, we are living in India. In our country, the currency is called rupee. So, the term rupees is derived from a Sanskrit term rupaya. Understood? This was the symbol which was used to denote rupees. The smaller unit of money is called paise. Okay. In India, we have two types of money. Basically, the paper currencies and the coins. Okay. So, we have 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note and 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. And we have coins in 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Okay. Now let us study how to read and write money. Okay students, now let us study how to read and write money with some examples. So here, look at this. Can you see it? Yeah. What was the first one? Which is 3 rupees and 50 paise. 3 rupees and 50 paise. So you have to write it on your notebook along with me. Okay students? So can you hear me? Okay, you have to write this along with me. Okay, let us start. So what was the first one? Which is 3 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Which was written in the form of words. Now let us convert or let us write it in the form of figures. So here, which was written in the form of figures. So can you this symbol? Yeah, this symbol is mainly used to denote rupees. So we have to put that symbol first and add that amount. What was the amount? Yeah, it is 3. So we have to add the 3 rupees and put a point or a dot. And the paise. How many paise? 15 paise. So okay. Now listen. This dot separates the paise and the rupees. So in the first part we have to write the amount of the rupees. Okay, in the second part we have to write the paise. Understood? So let us check the next example. So can you see 3 rupees and 5 paise? Okay. Now let us study how it should be written in the form of figures. So here rupees, then we just added that 3, then put a point, then 0, 5. Here you might be thinking that why there is a 0, right? Most of the students make mistakes in writing 50 paise and 5 paise. So students keep in mind, if the paise is less than 10, we have to add a 0 after the dot. Okay, here the paise is 5. It is less than 10. So that's why we just added a 0 after the dot. So if the paise is 6, what we have to do? We have to add a 0 after the dot or the before that 6. Okay. So here we 3.05. So 5 paise, that's why we just added a 0 before that paise. Understood? Okay students, now let us check another example. Here 1 rupees and 20 paise, which was written in the form of words. Now let us convert it into 1 rupee 20 paise, which was written in the form of figures. Okay, it is very simple. So we just added that amount here and put a dot between it. This dot, I already said, this dot which separate the rupees from the paise. So students, just keep in mind, the paise always have 2 digits. If there is no paise, we have to put 2 zeros after that dot. And the rupees always have 1 0. If there is no rupees, we have to put 1 0 before the dot. Understood? For example, if the amount is 50 rupees, only 50 rupees. So how it should be written? It should be written like 50, then a point, that's 0 0. Okay, I already said the paise have 2 digits. That's why we just put 2 zeros after that dot. Understood? Okay. All of you just take your textbook and open page number 110. Okay, here is a task for us. Let us begin. Can you see that? Please take your textbook and open page number 120. Sorry, 110. Please take your textbook and open page number 110. Now let us start. Fill in the blanks. So here 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. The next one, Rajiv has rupees 5 and his sister has rupees 4. Together they have how many rupees? Rajiv has 5 rupees and his sister has 4 rupees. Together they have how many? Yeah, 9 rupees. Then the next one. I have 10 rupees and I borrow 6 rupees. I have how many rupees now? How many rupees are left? Yeah, I have 10 rupees. I bought chocolate for 6 rupees. Then how many are left? Yeah, 4. It is right. Now you just write it on your textbook, okay? Anusha has 2 rupees. It is equal to how many paise? It is equal to 200 paise. Let us study it in detail. Okay, so I will tell you it in detail. So let's skip into the next one. So the next one, page number 111, the exercise number 4.1. Write the following in words. So students, please write this along with me, okay? So what was the first one? It is 2 rupees and 75 paise. We have to write it into words. So teacher already told you how to write the rupees into words. Okay, so can you write it by yourself? So here 2 rupees and 75 paise. The next one, 57.75 paise. So 57 rupees 75 paise. So the next C and D portion you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now let us check the next one. Write the following in figures. So what was the first one? So here 7 rupees 25 paise. So in the first task they asked for us to write these figures into words. In the second portion they asked for us to write this words portion to figures. Okay. So this is the figures form and this is the words form. Okay. Now is the task is to convert this into figures. So 7 rupees and 25 paise. So rupees 7.25. And the next one 90 rupees and 60 paise. So rupees 19.60 paise. So it is very simple, right? You have to do by yourself the rest. So I already give you homework. This is another one. You have to finish today itself. Now let us study how to convert rupees into paise. Okay. So it is very simple. If we wanted to convert a rupee into paise, we have to multiply the rupees with 100. It is very simple. So I already said 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. How we get that 100 paise? We just multiply that 1 with 100. So 1 into 100 is equal to 100 paise. So if we have 2 rupees, so when we wanted to convert that 2 rupees into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply the 2 with 100. So we get the answer 200. So 2 rupees had 200 paise. Okay. So look at this here, 4 rupees. So 4 into 100 is equal to 400 paise. Okay. And the next one, 5 rupees. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500 paise. So in order to find the paise or in order to convert the rupees into paise, we have to multiply 100. Okay, now let us study how to convert rupees and paise into paise. Okay, so here, look at this, 10 rupees and 50 paise. So I already said in order to convert the rupees into paise, we have to multiply it with 100. So here the 10 rupees. First we have to convert it into paise. So 10 into 100 plus that extra 50 paise. So 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. plus that 50 paise. So 1050 paise is the answer. Understood? So let's check the next one. Here 29.75 paise. So 29 into 100 plus that 75 paise. 29 into 100 is equal to 2900 plus that 75 paise. So the total is 2975 paise. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now let us check the exercises in your textbook. So all of you please take your textbook quickly. So can you see this page number 112? Yeah, here. So this one we already discussed. Okay. And also example 2 we already discussed. The example 3 is a homework for you. Okay. Now let us check the next exercise. Exercise number 4.2. So convert it to paise. Here is some paise and rupees. We have to convert this into paise. So teacher already said in order to convert the rupees into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 100. So here 11 rupees. Look at your textbook. First one is 11 rupees. So 11 into 100 is equal to 1100 paise. Understood? The next one 12 rupees and 20 paise. So 12 into 100 is equal to 1200 paise plus that extra 20 paise. The next one is 35 rupees. So 35 into 100. So 3500 paise. The next two D and E you have to do by yourself. Okay. And also convert the following into paise. Here is an extra task for you students. You have to do by yourself. Okay. I hope you understood how to convert this paise into rupees into paise method. So you have to complete it by yourself with the help of your parents. Okay. Okay students, now let us study how to convert the paise into rupees. We already discussed how to convert the rupees into paise. Now we are going to discuss how to convert the paise into rupees. Okay, let us look at your textbook. Convert 7020 paise into rupees and paise. So I already said what we have to do. We have to just split it. So 70 is the rupees and 20 is the paise. So convert into rupees and paise. Here 1050 paise. So 10 split. 10 is the rupees and 50 is the paise. So here also just split. 16 is the paise. Is the rupees and 9 is the paise. Understood? Now here is a task for you students. Exercise number 4.3. So what was the first one? 900 paise. We already discussed it, right? So 900 paise we already discussed. Yeah, I already show you how to convert that 900 paise into rupees. So here is the solution. And what was the next one? Yeah, the rest you have to complete by yourself. Okay, it is also a homework for you. I hope you understood today's classes. Today we studied how to read and write money, how to convert the rupees into paise, and how to convert the rupees and paise into paise, and how to convert the paise into rupees. Okay. I hope you understood today's classes. Today we studied two equations. In the case of conversion of rupees into paise, we have to multiply with 100, and in the case of the conversion of paise into rupees, we have to divide it by 100. So this is the two equations we studied today. Okay. So I hope you understood today's classes. Please do your homeworks today itself and send. Let me see you in the next video with the continuation of money. Thank you, students.